You can see the actual screenshots of the modules. This is where you can essentially model out different price changes along with advertising and promotional changes, right? So you can figure out what is the impact on your business, both demand level and financial/profitability. And you can also model out the impacts of competitor price moves, right? So there's a third section where you can model out what is the adverse impact if competitors also decide to follow suit. And the last piece is a white space. Again, we typically look at a couple of things, but we mainly look at the same kind of form and figure out if there's any pack sizes that are not covered by the market at all, or if there's any pack sizes in the same form that we are not playing in. And we estimate the upside of capturing some share of that market based on historical share grabs of new entrants in that particular markets. That's part of the underlying analysis that feeds the module. We also look at things like market stability and market fluidity. So market fluidity is a comprehensive score that does look at stability and market growth, et cetera, and also looks at how many new entrants and how many products exit the given market each year. Therefore, like, what is the ratio of entrants and exiters in the market?